name is East, and today I'm going to show you how to make an origami paper crane. To make an origami crane, you will need a square sheet of paper that is printer paper thickness or thinner. I used origami paper, which is traditionally blank on one side and has a print or a solid color on the other side. Cranes in Japan are revered as a symbol of longevity, and tradition says that if you were able to fold 1,000 paper cranes, the gods would grant you a wish. Here I have my origami paper, and I've gone ahead and marked with a dotted line all the folds we're going to make today. This is not a necessary step for you to do, but enables you to see the lines that we're folding a little bit better on the video. First, we're going to fold our paper right down the middle, folding 2 of the corners of our page in half and meeting 2 of the other corners together. Make sure all of the edges meet up and press to crease. Next, we're going to fold this triangle in half to make an even smaller triangle. Again, meeting the edges of our paper and matching the corners over one another. Then we're going to take this triangle we've created, put our fingers inside of the fold and open it up so that we can then press it flat into a diamond or square shape. Again, this triangle that we've created, we're going to press open and then fold flat into a square or diamond shape so that your piece of paper looks like this. There should be another triangle shape protruding from your small square or diamond that we're going to open up on the other side. So if you flip your paper over, you can go ahead and open the triangle up and then press it flat, meeting the edges with the previous square or diamond shape you made before, making sure they line up well and the creases are on top of one another. So your origami paper should look like this. Next, placing the paper flat on the table again, we're going to open up these layers once more and fold them back. The edge of your orange paper should go to the middle of this bigger diamond shape we're creating and line up straight up and down and meet with the other side. So that both of the edges are folded to meet one another in the middle. Flip your paper over, open up your shape one more time, and then fold down the edges towards the middle so that they meet but do not overlap. Make sure to press down and crease well. At this step, your paper should look like this. And we're going to open up the side of our shape and bend this piece that is pointing downwards to point upwards so that its bottom matches up with the other triangles next to it. And press it so that the corners at the top, or the edges at the top, all meet up together. And then press it closed. Again, move to the other side of your piece, open up the fold on the side, and then bend the triangle that is pointing downwards to point upwards and match up with the other shapes in your origami so that if you press it flat, you have several layers all meeting in one triangle. Pick one of the corners to fold downwards just near the tip to make a head for your crane. The upward pointing corners on either side should be slightly bent down to make the wings. And the last one pointing upwards is the tail. And there you go. You've made a wonderful paper crane, and you can make many, many more. Thank you for joining me today.